Yo guys, I'm here at Playlist Orlando and I'm here with Peyton. What's up? We met in DC, so we're just hanging out right now and actually currently getting mobbed. We're about to get mobbed. And yeah, you were in DC too. Yeah. Do you want to be my vlog? Yeah, what's your, I'm so bad with names. I honestly forgot your name already. Nathan? Yeah. Okay, Nathan, what's your last name?
Nathan Triska.
Simonson? Okay, Nathan Simonson.
Yeah, Nathan Triska.
Oh yeah. Right. Say hi. Good morning everyone and welcome to today's video. So it is the final day, day 3 of Playlist Live. Kind of sad, but to be honest, I'm actually very excited to go home and go to sleep because Playlist and VidCon, you don't sleep at all. So yeah, I was just hanging out in the lobby for a little bit, and I don't know, I'm probably gonna go get something to eat and then I'll catch you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I'm getting some food right now at the food trucks. They're giving away free lemonade. This is, I guess, a really big sponsor here. And then I actually got some vegan empanadas with chorizo and potato, I'm assuming. So I'm really excited. I actually love Mexican food and empanadas and that kind of stuff, so it's gonna be really good. And if you can make it vegan, that's even better. I'm a vegetarian, so you know, I'm almost there. I'll be vegan one day, but one of my good friends, my good YouTube friends, Matt, he has a gaming channel. He does a lot of claw machines, gaming stuff like that. He's actually doing a video right now, so that's really cool. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat this and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. So I'm in the middle of eating this. I just almost finished one, and it is really good. It's a little spicy, but it's amazing. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, if I'm gonna do day 1, 2, and 3 of Playlist. I might not, because I didn't really vlog a lot. I got a lot of B-roll, and like it's hard to vlog certain things. I mean, I shouldn't say that. It's not. I shouldn't say that. I should just vlog and not worry about it. But I like to vlog like genuinely good content and not just random things. So I think that's why I'm not pulling out my camera every 5 seconds when I probably should be. But I really like to just get, you know, certain stuff, not everything. But so I might do one long video, or I might just split it up into 2 videos. I think I might do something like that. But I just want to say though, the creator party last night was the most fun I've ever had at an event, ever. Like, it was crazy. The only thing that sucked though is that I went alone, but I did meet a couple people. I met Slice and Rice there. I knew them. This one guy, Carlos, he was rooming with us a couple nights ago. And Matt, which was he doing the claw machine right now. He was at the Maker party last night, or not Maker, the full stream party. And it was so much fun. I saw Tana, Mojo there. I saw her friends. I saw Ashley, Amari, Mario Selman, Hunter, Elijah, Daniel, like all these friggin' Trevor Moran, all those, you know, popular YouTube, there's so many people. I talked to a few people, it was really cool. And then also I actually just met Josh from Exploring with Josh. He does travel videos. He's friends with Fun for Louie and Hey Nadine, and he does abandoned videos, like exploring abandoned places. It's really cool. But I actually just met him and got a picture with him, and he was really nice. We just didn't really talk very long. We literally talked for like 30 seconds. And I was like, oh, okay, bye. I was hoping to talk to him longer, but he seemed like he was in a hurry, so you know, it's fine. I mean, I know a lot of times this event you have to be at certain places, so yeah. But okay, I'm gonna go continue eating right now, and I will catch you guys in a second.
So close. Alright, one more try. I don't know if I should go that way again or...
That's perfect, Sarah.
Hold it.
Oh, wow. job.
That's amazing.
Lizzie gets the shirt. Try to get the lemon, man. See the blue ball? Yeah. You gotta go towards you just a little bit. Maybe left just a hair. Clamp these pretty good if you get it dead center.
Oh, whoa! Look at that. First try, Chris.
Nice.
Whoa.
Look at that teamwork. That was amazing. High five.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's a squishy.
Yeah.
Nice.
So sick.
Oh, squishies, they're popular. Nice.
Hey guys, so I'm on the literally 20th floor, and there's some people that want to say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
So,
Hi. Hi, sister.
hi, sister.
Wait, are you famous?
We're just chilling by the pool now. I'm probably gonna go in for a little bit. They also have a spa over there, which is really cool. But yeah, I just got changed, but I need to go get a towel right now and then head on in the pool soon. We just got some frozen ice cream, I guess. What is this called? Yogurt? Yeah, we got some yogurt. We just got some yogurt. Hey guys, so I'm just about to take a shot of vodka and pineapple juice.
Just drink it, bro. How do you feel about that?
I'm very sticky. Alright guys, I just met a whole bunch of really cool people. It's all about networking and meeting people and just talking and having a good time. So Hunter, which is Tana's boyfriend, I don't know. I just talked to him, actually met him very briefly, for only like a few seconds. But it was fun. I talked to him and he actually recommended me because I'd DM'd him a few times. And then we just met, like, I don't know, met this one guy who manages some YouTubers, and he was hanging out with some friends of mine. He was super chill. And I met these two guys from England, and one's a singer, songwriter, and the other guy like helps him with that and does like other stuff for him. I don't really know exactly, but yeah, they were super chill. But yeah, it was super cool. It was cool. I had a good time. It was not as good as I was expecting because I actually like VidCon a lot. But I don't want to like bash it. It was still really cool. I had a good time. So I don't know. Oops. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video. Hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna vlog tomorrow because I'm doing stuff tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys please like this video, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Follow me all my social medias at iChrisbtv, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I think that's it. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next vlog. Good night.